Welcome to the world of small business where every customer counts and standing out is key. Meet Alex, a small business owner struggling to attract and retain customers. This is where the customer attraction, engagement, and loyalty system steps into the spotlight. First up, attraction. With our system, watch as your business becomes a magnet for new customers. Our cutting-edge system ensures your business isn't just seen, but remembered. Next, engagement. Turn infrequent customers into regular customers. The system's interactive features and personalized experiences make sure your customers stick around longer. And let's not forget loyalty. We help you create lasting relationships, turning one-time buyers into lifelong fans. With rewards and recognition, your customers won't just come back, they'll bring friends. Back to Alex. With our system, his business is now thriving. More visitors, more engagement, more loyal customers. Ready to transform your business? Join Alex and countless others where small businesses turn into community cornerstones with a system that attracts, engage, retain customers. It's time you start leveling up your business. Activate ServiceConnect now.